So if you saw the repair video, this was a resurrection of a scrap radio, and one of the things missing was the SO239 off the back, and the screws were mishing to the PA-CB switch. But I managed to resurrect it, and then I discover it's doing 3.9 watts. Now these are 3.5 watt radio, so it's a really good example, and the receiver's okay. It's 0.5 microvolts. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. I don't know where my great standard mic is, but what we're doing, we're going to use a Transcom one, which is a great radio, but normally what I like to do is to use a replacement mic rather than a factory original mic. So we're using a factory original mic. It's a Barracuda GT868, so these were sold by Halford's Motors shops. If you remember, they did two sets. They did the HP 940, which is a Cybernet 134, which has a 5-pin DIN socket on it, and they did this. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, I am ready.
Roger that, off we go then.
Roger. So I'll plug my extension speaker in. Not in there, I won't.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. And on this radio, there's no tone control.
Roger that. TX audio is a bit hollow, shall we say. It's loud enough, but it's not the best.
I'm actually using a factory original mic for one of these, but it's 40 years old. I'd like to normally use a standard replacement mic, but I don't know where mine is, and I hadn't time to make another up.
Yep, roger that. Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, and that got you to the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that. Got you at Lancaster service station. Do you know what? While we're doing this, I'm going to make a mic up, and you never know, there might be time to have finished it by the time we've finished the on the headset there.
Yeah, okay. Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads. You're at the top of the hill.
now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Barracuda GT868, which is a great GT868 from Taiwan. So 3.9 watts output, and now on a factory original mic over.
Yep, roger that. I'll receive, no problems.
Roger.
Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford at level crossing.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Barracuda GT868 from 1981, and it's drawing 1 amp and it's doing 3.9 watts. Set it on to low power, and here we go, it's 210 milliwatts. 54321. The radio start going 350 milliamps. And there we are, back on full power over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power. I had to knock the squelch off on low power, but you were fairly legible when I did so.
Stand there 15 seconds and one more wire to sold on.
Yep, Roger that.
Tango 21 on a standard replacement mic over.
Yeah, Roger, that's definitely better.
I will run with this for the rest of the test over.
Roger that, off we go then.
Here you go. Cheers, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Actually, I forgot to look. I'll assume what they usually are, which is what, 142.9, 148.7.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's something that we can pass information without it being a predictable copy. So there we go. Thanks for that, and that works very well. Thanks so much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
That's forgot to look. I'll assume what they usually are, which is what, 142.9, 148.7.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's only that we can pass information without it being a predictable copy. So there we go. Thanks for that, and that worked very well. Thanks very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Yeah, 10-10. Right, we'll go to our base station, see what it sounds like on the mic. I just made up in 5 minutes flat, and your factory original.
Tango 21 testing the Barracuda GT868 into our Midland 76900 base station using the standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it onto low power, doing 200 milliwatts. There we are on low power, and go back to full power. There we're back on full power. So now we'll go back for the factory original mic. And testing on the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and back to full power. So there we go. Can't tell you what we've got next to do, but thanks for watching.